What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nikki, back at you with another quick video for Black Friday. I'm not going to hold you long because I got some shopping to do myself, y'all. I got some saving and shopping and all that good stuff to do. Listen up. So there is something that I know of on Amazon that I wanted to share with you all because I'm pretty sure it will help you too because it's been helping me. This is a little known thing on Amazon, and that is the fact that they allow you to do payment plans with no interest and no credit check. Oh yes, you only have to pay the first payment, and a lot of times they will split it up into 5 payments and sometimes maybe 3 payments, but the majority of the time you can split the payments for that product into 5 different payments. So if you want to know what products are available on Amazon for payment plans, I made it easy for you. On my Amazon page, I created an idea list to help you all out, and I put a bunch of products in there that I know are on payment plans, no credit check, no interest. So you're not paying anything extra, okay? So I put those all in one list to help you out. So make sure you use my link below, head on over to my Amazon page, follow me so you can be notified whenever I go live on Amazon. Yes, I do go live on Amazon and I talk about things that I've bought, things that I suggest, Amazon products that I love, all that. I'm gonna do you a little favor and just put you onto game. There are a few things that are popping that you can get right now on payment plans and split the payments up to 5 payments. And the first one is the Oculus Quest 2. I got one. My daughter's in the next room and she doesn't know she got one for Christmas. But yeah, if you've been interested in the Oculus Quest 2, you know those things retail starting at $299.99. But the Oculus Quest 2, not only are they splitting it up into 5 payment plans, or you can pay it up front if you want, but you can also get a $50 Amazon digital credit. So if you decide to buy movies or anything like that, you can actually use those credits. So in that link below, I'm listing the Oculus Quest. So again, the Oculus Quest starts at $300 basically, and you can get a $50 credit and you can split those payments up. All right. Now, the other thing that's really popping is the Echo Show 10. So the Echo Show 10 is one of those Alexa devices. You know, I have one and I don't want to trigger her. But the Echo Show 10 is the newest version of the Echo Show. And they have it for $250 basically, and you can split those into 5 payments and possibly get it the same day depending on where you live. So it's basically the same thing as with the Oculus Quest, all right? There's also the Samsung TV that is available as well that you can split up into 5 payments. So I'm telling you, just go check this stuff out for yourself, all right? I'm gonna link it down below so that you can head on over to Amazon and add that stuff to your cart. I'm telling you, these are things that are very popular. I decided I wanted to put you onto game as well and help you save your money as well. So if you're on a limited budget and you still want certain things for the holiday, you can still get those things. Just use my link, and I'm ready to peace out on this video. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I will try to answer them for you. Bye, y'all.